Read this. Cool, cool, cool. I'm making noise. My vlog. Custard. Shoo, 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 shoo. I don't like how. Shoo, 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 shoo.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey fam, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, clicking on this video for the first time, you are welcome. And to my old subscribers, thank you all so much for coming back to watch my videos. My name is Chiamaka, aka Mama B on the streets of YouTube. And you guys are welcome back once again. So guys, this particular vlog is all about mini Christmas shopping vlog. Also, I'll be carrying you guys along on how I got some Christmas chicken. So I didn't really get much things here because I already have some things in my house. Like I do grocery shopping on a daily basis. So there's no really point for me to get much things. I just have to get got or get that I will say. I just have to get some few things, sha. So yes, I'm going to carry you guys along here in this vlog, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up after watching. Turn on your notification bell so that you can always be the first person to get notified whenever I upload a video here on my channel. So guys, I want you all to enjoy this video and watch this video to the end. There's still Malta Guinness. So what are we buying now? Where's the wine? Let's take this one.
Take this one.
No, don't like that one. Take that one.
This size is okay.
What else like this one they like do? I think I still have some sham. What is my soy sauce? I still have. This is same oil. Should I take it? I say I'm on budget. As if I follow you like this. Yeah, they're doing so. What?
This mayonnaise. Is okay.
This is exotic juice. Exotic juice. This one.
This is a fit drinker.
Yes, now go over now. What that can be?
Yeah?
I'll drink it. Social again. I pineapple and coconut. Let's take one of this one. I'm sure it's enough. Read this car. Okay, wait.
We get this thing.
How many you want to take?
2,000.
I think first. So there's one in the fridge now.
That one is this thing.
Hmm?
One is not red wine.
Which one is that one?
That one is no alcoholic.
I'm gonna take this thing. Custard. See custard here now. And it's not good. Oh, okay. They don't have checkers, the one that we used to drink. Where is it? Okay, they don't have the other. Try the banana and milk. Try the banana and milk. People don't have one I used to buy.
Okay, yeah.
I would like this banana flavor.
Okay, this one doesn't have milk.
Yeah, but that one I think it has milk now.
I don't want to have milk.
Some more call. I don't have some in the house now. How much should I take? One or two? This is a bobby stash. You know, go try the bobby. Let's see how the taste is. Let me say with the bar, but let's just try it how. Let's just try it. If you don't like how go. Where they go? Where go show money go finish. Let me take corn flakes. Yeah, it's okay. I think I need sardine. Yeah, sardine for toast bread though. I need sardine. Thank you. How much is it? Toast bread. Which one's affordable? Let's give me some. Big two. How many? Expiry date. Time is spicy. This what do you say? Okay. So that is how many kgs? So? But this brown one, this black one, is this same thing the brown one? You say they're about the same thing. Okay, that be the cock. Now wow.
If we mistakenly go by chance,
I'm actually one bite. Nana. Okay, now that one too small, though. Big one come outside now. What about Sunday will come? For the Sunday Christmas. That one you want by Abi?
you see me to buy another one.
The cut off. Cool. You're making noise in my vlog. Ooh. Shut up. Shoo. You're making noise. I will eat you tomorrow morning. No, tomorrow evening. Shoo. Why you laugh? This way.
You dey fear cook. Put them there.
I eat you tomorrow. Hi guys, man. Okay, those guys, they are done with the chicken, and these birds, they are really expensive. Oh. Voila is now 15,000 naira. Like, can you imagine, guys? And then tolo tolo is selling for 55,000. You see, guys, I remember when we used to buy chicken for 5,000 naira, even 2,005. But now the prices are like, times four, times three, and it's crazy. Even last year, some sold for 10,000 naira last year, 9,000 now. Like, I don't understand. I don't understand. But yet people will still even buy it. The ones wey get money will still even come out buy am. As in, people will still do Christmas last now. So I just hope that things will be like one day things will just get better, because every day it's getting crazy. Every day it's getting worse. It's getting worse every day, guys. I don't know. May God help us in this country, abeg, because I cannot even, like, I don't want to even understand or imagine the poor. Like, how would they want to survive in a terrible situation like this? I don't know, guys. It's just so unfortunate. Seriously, very unfortunate. Even the guy was telling me that yesterday they sold one load to load for 65,000. If you're watching this video and you're wondering what tolo tolo, tolo tolo is turkey. Do you understand? Yes. If you're hearing tolo tolo, it's also known as turkey, or an ostrich. Yes. So that's the price they're selling it, 65,000 and 55. And guys, these birds, they're really, really expensive. I don't know where this Nigeria, this our country, I don't know where it's going to. So we are done buying it. We just have to, buy the ones that we can afford, and then make it for Christmas Eve dinner tomorrow, because I want to prepare something nice. I always love to prepare a nice meal for our Christmas dinner tomorrow, like every 24th December. Yes. So guys, I'm gonna carry you guys along if it's possible. Anyway, guys, that's the update for now. They are done cutting the chicken, and shortly we'll soon be going home. Please, if you're enjoying this vlog, give it a thumbs up, guys, and subscribe to my channel too. So guys, I'm gonna talk to you later. Hey fam, what's up? Welcome back to the same vlog. Guys, today is Christmas, and we're excited. Merry Christmas for my family to yours. We are thankful for another Christmas. God is faithful, guys, and so many things that happened this year, but then God still kept us alive. So guys, Merry Christmas from the Wachukus. Yes, we are the Wachuku family, and we wish you all a beautiful Christmas celebration. So currently, right now, we are on our way for mass. We are attending 8:30 mass. Yes, and actually we are late, but then we're still gonna meet up. So guys, I wish you all a beautiful Christmas from the Wanchuku family, and you guys should stay safe as you're celebrating. um Take care of yourselves, and celebrate well, stay in peace, stay in love, and do enjoy um your Christmas celebration. Okay, I'm gonna end this vlog right now. Thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. It's very important to support me with your likes and your likes. Yes, share my videos if you can. Maybe you can give me a Christmas gift, yes, by sharing at least one of my videos. Guys, like, what do you think now? It's a way of supporting me on the channel. And lastly, guys, do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload a video on this channel. Guys, how do I look? I could see this my turban that I got from the on Lagos Island Market the other day. If you watch the video, you're gonna see the turban when I was holding it. As you can see, guys, it's looking so nice on me. Guys, what do you think? Guys, thank you all so much for watching. We are almost at our parish right now. Stay blessed and stay fabulous, fam. Look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Oh, Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Oh, Christmas tree, how richly God